Yes. So today we are going to talk about the letter S.
Very S?
Yes.
Wait.
Can you trace the uppercase S?
Yeah.
That's the uppercase S.
Uppercase S like that.
Can you trace it?
No.
No.
That's like that.
Ooh.
No, S, no drawing on there?
No drawing on there. But do you see how they're the same? Uppercase S,
Let's circle them.
lowercase
Let's
S.
circle them.
Okay, circle the sun. Say sun,
Sun.
snake,
Snake.
sandwich,
Sandwich.
sheep,
Sheep.
socks,
Socks.
star,
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
star.
Star.
So S says the sound S. Like sock
No, this is snake.
or snake.
Snake. No, sock. Sandwich. Sheep. Sin. Sock.
Yeah! You did it!
Star in the ocean.
Yeah, that's a starfish.
That's a starfish.
Seal.
Seal. Where's a seal? We wanna eat it. A shark. Stingray.
That's a stingray.
Spider.
Spider.
Whoa, strawberry.
Strawberry.
What's that?
Scorpion.
Scorpion.
That's a scorpion. Whoa! You have a seahorse and a 7.
Wait, what is this called?
Scorpion.
Look, that's a crab.
Sailboat.
The crab get the paper. A
Whoa!
big one.
That's a snake.
Snake. A sheep. Whoa, that's magnetic.
That's an uppercase S.
That's magnetic.
It is magnetic.
Baby, magnetic's right there.
Oh yeah, let's turn it. You're right. So this is the uppercase S. What about
There.
lowercase s?
No, that's a little S.
It is a little s. Uppercase S,
Little S.
little s.
That said
Starbucks.
Starbucks. It said good morning.
Good morning, son. You found the seal. Don't you have one?
Yeah. The seal is city.
Yep, that's the seal. Good job.
The seal is city.
That's a saw.
That's a saw with block. Sock.
Sit up. 1, 2. S is also for shark. Shark.
Ah, sock!
Do you have a shark anywhere?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's your shark. Good
That's
job.
a strike.
Do you want me to help you?
No, don't
Oh
help.
yeah, that connects to the S.
That's right there.
Mhm.
There.
Good job. You made an S. Look. S. S is for sandwich,
Sandwich.
sheep,
Sheep.
shark,
Shark.
socks,
Socks.
shoe.
Let's walk on it.
Okay, walk on it.
This is sun.
Can you look for the picture of the sun?
It fits.
It fits. Good job. Now let's look for the
This.
other sun.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is can't be. Fits.
It fits. Can we find the snow?
Snow.
Snow. Let's
Snow.
find the snow.
No snow for Elsa.
No snow for Elsa. Oh, you want to find a star? Okay, find a star.
Size like that.
Find the shoes.
Socks.
I need some socks.
Okay, see. read socks.
Mm-hmm.
This is the sock?
Star.
Star. This is can't be good.
Good job. Last one. Sheep. Sheep.
That's a real sheep.
That is a real
We
sheep.
need to see the real sheep.
Okay, we'll go and we'll see real sheep.